Hi guys, it's Jasmin and welcome to my channel and to my closet.
Give me up forever, or at least just for a while. Give me never ending, or at least give me a smile, give me happiness, or at least give me a smile, give me forever for a while, give me forever for.
So for today's video, I'm going to be going through all of my clothes. This is one of my closets. I realized that I have way too many clothes and I don't really wear everything, so I'm going to be donating a couple of these items, and then I'm also going to be selling a lot of items I really don't use. They still have tags, like there's a tag right here. Others I just don't even wear anymore, so they're just literally taking up space in my closet. So I'm going to be going through everything. I guess I'll just speed through this. You guys can clean the closet with me. Yes, I'm wearing my joggers. These are my pajama pants. I have a closet organized. So right here, this is like my makeup, so in case you guys see that. Then down here, I don't know if you can see the bottom, but in case you can, I have like my Poshmark stuff. So if you guys don't know, I do sell on Poshmark, Depop, and Vinted. I have a whole video about that. I'll link it up here if you guys want to check it out. But that's where I will be selling the clothes, and then others I might just like donate. So how I have this organized right here, this is where I have all of my skirts. It's like spring, but it's still pretty cold here. I haven't worn any skirts. You can literally see I have so much. I've put 2 things on one hanger. So I'm just gonna go through everything, and then if I find something I'll just talk, but most of the time I'm literally just going to speed through this. Are really good. You can put 4 things in here, so I put 4 skirts. They go down so they don't take up too much space. So I just finished with all of my skirts. So now I'm moving on to like my shirts. So I finished with my shirts right here. You guys can kind of tell, you can see the pile it's forming. I'm trying to move you guys a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. But this is my jacket. Section, I got rid of one thing for here. I just realized that I have a bunch more shirts on this end. I don't know what they're doing over here, so I'm gonna move them over. clothes that I have. One second. I'm moving on to this drawer next. So I finished splitting everything up, and all of this I will be selling, and I will be showing you guys that in a bit. And then all of this right here I will be donating it. It's all shirts, and some of them still have the tag. But yeah, it's all the shirts, a couple skirts, and a couple dresses. So I'm going to be showing you guys the items that I got rid of. Next up, I have a bunch of skirts. These are all of the shorts. Last thing that I have are the dresses and rompers. I tried showing you guys everything that I had. Like I said before, this is part 1. If you guys want a part 2 of like my other closets, let me know. Make sure to check out my Poshmark down below. All of the shirts, I think I'm going to be donating those, and then a couple of the skirts I will be donating those as well. And I think all of those dresses except for like 2 I will be selling. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Follow my social medias down below. I have my Instagram, and then don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles.
She looking goddamn fine. I wanted a bitch who was down to earth, but she want the goddamn sky. This is my problems. Got that one on my line that won't stop fucking calling. It's crazy how I made her that way. Every time I see her out, I see the hate in her face. Like, why you do that? Tell her you love her when next week you join.